Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing access and resources. This is where speed matters. In Admin Console, confirm you have superadmin rights because you will change organization-level settings. Once done, open Google Cloud, create a dedicated project, and enable the Gemini API. Make sure billing and APIs are active to allow requests. Next, create a service account specifically for Gemini access, assign least privilege IAM roles, and generate a JSON key. Store it securely, because you will use it for authentication. Now you configure authorization and test connectivity. First, set an OAuth consent screen in Cloud Console, add only the scopes Gemini needs, and publish internally to avoid delays. Then, add the service account key to your Workspace integration or a secure secret manager. Make sure file permissions restrict access to admins and the app. Once done, use the key to request an access token, verify return scopes and expiry, and perform a small API call to confirm the token maps to your Workspace account. Finish by wiring Gemini into your workflows and locking down security. You will implement the API calls using the access token, route responses back into Workspace apps, and ensure rate limits and quotas are handled. Next, enable logging, set alerts for anomalous usage, and document key rotation schedules. Make sure to rotate the service account key regularly and restrict network access. Troubleshooting tip: if requests fail, check token expiry and scope mismatches first, because most integration errors stem from authentication or scope issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.